Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the June 2022 DoubleShot kit. So the DoubleShot kit comes out every month. It's the smaller of our Scrap Room kits. It includes 2 brand new collections. So this is a great way to get a sampling of new product each and every month. Along with your kit, you'll also receive access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You'll also have access to this free cut file exclusively for the Scrap Room subscribers. And it is this awesome notebook page and the title, Create a Life You Love. So it's perfect to go along with this month's kits. This month's DoubleShot kit includes Time to Travel from Doodlebug and Fancy Pants Bloom and Grow. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection we're going to look at is Time to Travel from Bella Boulevard. This is true Bella Boulevard, bright rainbow colors, all about your travel excursions. It could be on an airplane or locally just getting out for the day. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of Typhoon cardstock, 1 sheet of white. This pattern paper, Let's Get Lost, has all of the geotags with the little heart and stars in the center. The back is a turquoise with white polka dot. This paper called Freeway, which is a rainbow stripe. The back is in 2-toned blue airplane print. Have this paper called On the Go, which has all the different modes of transportation, taxi, buses, airplanes, your car. We have cameras and clouds, that little cactus and keys, just super cute. And the back is a diagonal striped in green. So one more look at your fabulous pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the Bella Pops, which is this awesome camera and stars. These are dimensional pieces, but they're still fairly flat, so they don't add a whole lot of bulk. Then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces, so these will vary, but I got this cool little map that's perforated, so you could actually like pop that up a little bit. Cactus, that camera, some keys, and the airplane. So that is Time to Travel from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection, Bloom and Grow from Fancy Pants, is all about kind of gardening and the outdoors. But of course, you don't have to garden to use this. You can just document some gorgeous flowers or just being out. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of red cardstock, this paper called Birdhouses, which has all of the different birdhouses. The back is this stripe, which reminds me of the old ticking pillowcases if you're that old. This paper, multi-dots, which is just a lot of different dots in all of the different colors. The back is a red kind of textured print. It looks like a canvas. This paper is called Baby Buds, which are just little flowers. And the back is a yellow canvas textured print. For your ephemera, you're going to get a row of enamel dots, so those will vary. I got the red. And you're going to get some puffy stickers. Again, all of the embellishments will vary, but I got a little house, umbrella, bless this nest. And then some of the ephemera pieces. So you can see some of the ideas here. I got a little squirrel and a little mouse, flowers, a seed packet, some markers. She believed she could, so she did. So that is Bloom and Grow from Fancy Pants. One more look at your DoubleShot kit. Don't forget to download your free recipe file as well as your free cut file this month. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.